I've restored or repainted a variety of Lionel Santa Fe products lately, including a B unit and 3 classic F-3 locomotives. I'm nearly content to just place these on a shelf and admire them every now and then, but I feel like something's missing. There were 4 passenger cars listed separately from the same seller on eBay, and the starting price for each was only 99 cents. The others all ended up selling for over $10 each, but I was able to buy this one for only $2.44. $11.65 for shipping brought my total with tax to just around $15. It's supposed to have all the pieces, and if it does, then this could be a fun and quick little project. While looking up the spelling of resurrection, I came across a synonym. Anastasis. Ooh, how cool is that? It's the concept of coming back to life after death. This observation car has been dismembered, and it's definitely on life support, but I think it's going to pull through. Okay, this is a little unexpected, but the seller actually put it back together for shipping. Sort of. They packed it very carefully, which I like, and all of the parts do seem to be here as advertised, which is also good. If you're waiting for a but, there's not one coming. This is better than I hoped. There's a little piece of the rear door missing, which is easy to fix, and the wire from the pickup roller has come loose. After those 2 repairs, plus a little cleaning, I think it can all go back together pretty easily. I'm not going to even try to recreate the bolts or rivets that go all around the door's frame. I think if I trim a piece of styrene to the same basic size and thickness of the missing section, that should be enough to pass a casual inspection. A little sanding will bring the new material flush with the existing area, and then all I'll need to do is mask and spray just a little bit of silver. I thought that I would have to splice in an extension of wire to the bulb's base, but it turned out that the original wire itself would still be long enough, even after I removed about another 1/8 of an inch of insulation. This was not a very time-consuming project. From start to finish, it's been less than 2 hours, and that even includes the time it took for the silver paint to dry. I think it cures even faster than automotive primer. I'll spend more time editing this video than it took to fix this observation car. which was actually very satisfying and even enjoyable. What I paid for my observation car was a fluke, and the real cost has to include the price of shipping and sales tax. Normally, on eBay, I'd say you could find these between $10 and $40 plus postage. A good train show price? Maybe $15 or $20, so I guess this was still a pretty good deal. For years, I was reluctant about owning any of these aluminum-bodied cars, but I've come to admire their simplicity and the way they go together. For now, though, I'm content to own just this one. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.